This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you how to remove your title on your WordPress page. So you can see that I have a title right here, and you might want to maybe hide this or remove it completely. I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. So the first way is you can use the inspector tool. So if I right click into my page and hit inspect, and I'm using Chrome to do this. If I hover over my title and click this little icon over here that lets you select an element, and if I click this, you're going to see a couple things. You're going to see title area, site title. So if I go into the div class that is holding this title in my page, you can see it right here. Okay. Now, if I go into this and I go display, none, you can see that the title has been removed. So what we can do is simply pull this class right here, this title area class, and put it in our CSS and just write display none, and our page is our title is going to be hidden. So if I go to customize here, I'm going to get out of inspector. And if I go to additional CSS, and if I type dot title area display none, you can see that the title has been removed right here. And this, what the class is named might be a little bit different on your site. That's why I recommend going into inspector to see the exact name of the class or ID that you're going to pull in order to put, but this is the code display none that will hide your title in your WordPress. Now, another option, if you want to remove it completely, is to go into your site identity. And this should usually be the same on most WordPress sites and themes. And you're going to see my site title right here. If I remove this, you're going to see that the title has been completely removed from your WordPress site. I would recommend, instead of removing this completely from your WordPress site, so this is still in your SEO, to just hide it in your CSS. Sometimes you also have the option in your theme itself to simply just hide the tag. And it kind of just depends on what you're using, what theme you're using. Usually this is going to be in your header section. Maybe you have different options for your header layouts, and they'll give you the option to hide the site title and the site tag as well. So you can look there. Other options where it might be is that you can go into the page itself. And if I go to a page, I don't have it on my theme that I'm using currently, but if you go to edit page, sometimes in the page settings itself, if you scroll down, you can see I have all these different types of settings I can have on my site and on this page. Sometimes it'll have the option right here to hide the site title or the post title for your page. Okay, I hope that helps, and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.